Sometimes when you're writing, you want to view other parts of your Scrivener project. You may need to check something a character said, how you described an event in an earlier chapter, or look up something in a document in your research folder. One way to do this is to use copyholders, which are panes in the editor that lets you view other files in your project. Think of a copyholder as a way of pinning a file from the binder to an editor pane. Copyholders stay in place while you write, edit, and navigate in other editor panes until you remove them. While you can edit text in copyholders, that's not their primary usage. Think of them as files for checking details of what you've already written, viewing graphics, or reading research documents. Copyholders are different from editor splits and they offer different options. See our video about splitting the editor for more on this feature. You can open any document as a copyholder by selecting it and choosing Navigate, Open in Copyholder. Or you can right-click a document in the binder and choose Open in Copyholder. When you do this, you'll see that the copyholder pane is different from the main editor pane. The copyholder has a smaller, separate header bar than the document open in the editor, and it doesn't have a footer bar. You can open the same document in the editor and as a copyholder. You may want to do this when revising a document to check what happened earlier in a chapter without scrolling back and forth. You can also open documents from your research folder as copyholders. This is a good way to check photos, maps, web pages, or PDFs as you write or revise. The header bar of a copyholder gives you several options. If you right-click on the header bar, you can choose the position of the copyholder in the editor: left, right, top, or bottom. You can also reveal the document in the binder if you're not sure where it is. You can reopen copyholders that you've viewed previously. Right-click the header bar and choose one from the Recent menu. You can also open a copyholder in its own small floating window. Click the small icon that displays a square with an arrow near the right of the copyholder's header bar. This opens the copyholder as a quick reference window. See our video about quick reference windows to learn more about these. You can close a copyholder by clicking the small X at the far right of its header bar. You can download a 30-day free trial of Scrivener for Mac or Windows at scrivener.com.